Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make everyday tech tasks simple and straightforward. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to add Jewish holidays to your Google Calendar for 2025. Whether you're observing traditions, planning family events, or just want to stay culturally informed, this quick guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Calendar. You can do this on your computer by going to calendar.google.com, or on your phone via the app. Once you're in, look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner and click on it. This will take you to your calendar settings. Think of it as the control center for all your scheduling needs. Next, in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the Add a Calendar section. Here, you'll find an option that says Browse Calendars of Interest. Click on that, and it will expand to show various categories. Now, search for Jewish holidays in the search bar at the top. Google makes this easy by offering official holiday calendars from reliable sources. Once you find the Jewish holidays calendar, simply click on it and select Subscribe or Add. This will add the entire set of holidays to your calendar view. But wait, we're focusing on 2025, right? Don't worry. These calendars are usually updated annually, so the 2025 events should populate automatically. If you don't see them, double-check by switching to the 2025 year in your calendar view. A quick tip: after adding it, you can customize how these holidays appear. Go back to Settings, find the calendar in your list, and adjust the color or notifications to make them stand out. This way, you'll get reminders for key dates like Rosh Hashanah or Yom Kippur without any hassle. And that's it. You've now got Jewish holidays integrated into your Google Calendar for 2025, making your planning more inclusive and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.